This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Amory. You're invited. Our home offers functionality, peace of mind, and community. Our floor plan maximizes square feet with custom trim and one-level living. Peace of mind includes Windows-transferable lifetime warranty. Roof and gutters West Leaf Shields 2018 4 years. Home generator minus 2019 3 years. Tankless hot H2O 2019 3 years. HVAC 2022 years. Appliances 2022 new. New floors in kitchen and family room. Insulated garage door. CRES Southern Pest Control provides crawl space maintenance, dehumidifier, enclosed. Irrigation with a well. Invisible fence. The community offers seasonal events and optional private club, Cedar Point Club. Cedar Point Club private 2 gold courses, fine dining, indoors.